The Art of Trade-Off. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. In this video, I will discuss to you the importance of trade-off. Trade-off means exchange. Give up things that will not serve you. Give up bad habits that will not help you become a better person. First, savings in money versus value of your time. Ang common example nito ay pag nag-grocery tayo. Madalas nagtatagal tayo dahil sa kaka-compare ng prices. Maghanap ng mura, yan ang nakasanayan natin. Ang di natin nare-realize, nakatipid man tayo ng 70 pesos, tumagal ka naman sa supermarket ng additional 1 hour. Imagine kung every week mo ginagawa to, 70 pesos times 4 equals 280 pesos total na natipid mo per month. Pero ang nawala sa'yo, 1 hour times 4 equals 4 hours. 280 pesos lang ba ang value ng 4 hours mo? Sa 4 hours na yan, pwedeng kumita ka na ng 2,000, 10,000. Depende sa diskarte mo. So make sure na you always consider the value of your time. Don't trade your time to small savings. Be willing to let go of small savings to maximize the value of your time. Second, 3 hours of entertainment versus improving skills. Madalas pag nasa bahay tayo, habit na natin ang manood ng TV. Sabihin na natin 3 hours ang nilalaan mo dito. Alam mo bang sayang ang 3 hours mo pag ganito ang ginagawa mo araw-araw? Pwedeng sa 3 hours na spare time mo, instead of watching teleseries, why not improve your skills? We are in the information age. Ang dami mong pwedeng i-discover sa internet to improve your skills. And it is guaranteed na pag nag-improve ang skills mo, you can earn more. So, are you willing to trade off your teleseries for self-improvement? Third, hiring a secretary versus high-value activities. Kung may business ka, it's very important to hire secretary or assistant. Pwede rin itong gawin ng mga freelancer and yung mga may part-time job. Why hire secretary? You need to delegate low-value activities like encoding, filing documents. You need to outsource some admin works so that you can focus on high-value activities like thinking how you can add more value to people or to your customers. So be willing to trade off your money, pay secretary to delegate things. Fourth, average friends versus great friends. If you want to be successful, you need to spend less time with your average friends. Ito yung mga kaibigan mo na puro entertainment ang nasa isip. Nood ng movie, inom dito, kain doon, travel dito, gastos doon. You have to look for the right people. You need to find new friends who will help you to grow. Ito yung pwedeng mag-recommend sa'yo ng good books, nag-e-enjoy mag-attend ng seminar to have a better life. So be willing to spend more time with great people. Don't waste your time with your old friends with different mindset. Fifth, waking up 1 hour earlier to plan your day versus soft pillow. If you want to improve your life, you have to trade off. Majority pinipili na late gumising. Ang sarap naman kasing matulog. So, are you willing to get up 1 hour earlier to change your life? You have to discipline yourself. Wake up 1 hour earlier to plan your day. It will save your day. Mas magiging productive ka at the end of the day kung nakapagplano ka, mas marami kang resulta. Trade-off comfort. Sixth, simple lifestyle versus instant gratification. Dahil usong-uso ang selfie sa FB, mas malaki ang gastos ng mga tao. Madalas mag-selfie sa mamahaling restaurant, pero you can choose to say no to instant gratification. Alam mo bang pwede mo ding ma-enjoy ang food kahit sa karinderya ka lang bumili? Kesa kumain kami sa mall na nasa 500 to 1,000 ang bill, bumibili kami sa paborito naming bilihan na karinderya na mala restaurant ang lasa ng food pero ang presyo ay nasa 110 to 200 pesos lang. 2 or more na ulam na yan with rice. Wow! Sabihin na natin nakatipid ka ng 500 pesos per week or 2,000 a month dahil mas pinili mo ang simple lifestyle. assuming the rate of return on your savings or investment is 12% per year. Savings of 2,000 a month after 5 years equals 163,339. After 10 years, 460,077. After 15 years, 999,160. After 20 years, 1,978,511. So are you willing to discipline yourself? Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, there are two types of pain in this world. The short-term pain of discipline and long-term pain of regret. Choose your pain. Don't try to kid yourself. You must choose because no one escapes. Everyone pays. Either you pay on the front end when price is lower and you have more choices in how you pay, or you pay on the back end when price is higher and the choices are few. Majority will choose entertainment and instant gratification. That means choosing long-term pain of regret. Regret dahil kung kailan matanda na, saka may isip na bakit nga ba di pa ako nakapag-ipon? Sana noon pa. Bakit nga ba lubog ako sa utang ngayon? Di ko kasi nakontrol sarili ko sa pag-swipe ng credit card. Gusto ko mag-ipon kaya lang baon na ako sa utang. I hope you choose short-term pain of discipline today. When you discipline yourself today, you will have a worry-free life in the future. You have more options, you can afford things you want, you have time freedom, you can provide better future for your family, you have exceptional life. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.